Although the Mercosur deal will result in a significant increase in the export of EU manufactured products, it will not have the same positive effect on the European agricultural sector, which is already facing an unprecedented crisis. And furthermore, unequal CAP funding also contributes to the agricultural crisis in many countries, like also in my own country, in Estonia, and tend to add to this the new state religion come along, climate change. Billions of euros will be spent to transform European society in order to achieve so-called carbon neutrality by 2050. And this while countries such as China and India feel no CO2 shame and happily continue to grow their economies. This new Green Deal will come at a terrible cost to the most valuable and treasured members of our society, those who provide us with food, our farmers. Apart from the effects the Green Deal will have on the agricultural sector, it will also gravely affect countries relying on fossil fuels for energy supply, and as a result, the workers that earn their living in these sectors. And let's take again Estonia, for example. My country is largely self-sufficient when it comes to energy supply, but relies heavily on its domestic oil shale reserves for this. With a new Green Deal, Estonia will be forced to become reliant on other countries for their energy supply. This will in turn jeopardize the country's competitiveness, but more importantly, its independence and sovereignty. The alternative to fossil fuels was supposedly to be found in biofuels. However, according to recent findings, biofuels are not the solution to hunger, environmental disaster, or anything else. In fact, they will probably make things worse. And the reason for this is simple physics. The quantities of biofuels needed to generate necessary energy supply actually increases greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. To put it plainly, wasting energy to produce energy. Furthermore, the crops and land that could have been used for food supply are instead used to produce energy. And instead of worrying about the compatibility of the EU-Mercosur FTA and the European Green Deal, the elected representatives of the European citizens should rather be more concerned about the devastating impact both these initiatives will have on farmers in particular and European citizens in general. Thank you very much, Madam.